Woohoo! Made it! Here is the Haast. The Haast Ridge. Hut. Haast Hut. Glorious. Let's have a look inside. Cut my feet open. They are a balancing act, some of these huts. This one's supposed to be pretty old and run down. This hut was erected by a fellow mountaineer and friends in memory of Sidney Lock King of Rickmansworth, England, members of the Alpine Club, and the guides David Thompson of Okarito and John Richmond of Fairley, who were overwhelmed by an avalanche on the Upper Linda Glacier on February 22nd, 1914, after ascending Mount Cook. This is the other side. Freshfield Glacier. Let's have a look inside. Woo. Oh yeah, pretty run down, eh? Woo, real run down. It's like popcorn. Moldy popcorn. I guess there's no logbook for her. But at least I got a radio, just in case. A bit wobbly, this floor. Finally made it. Woohoo!